What's going on, everybody? We've got another busy weekend. It's actually almost over. It's Sunday today, but I'm finally going to go ahead and finish up the fire pit. We're going to get that installed. Fall is fast approaching, and with that, a fire pit's nice to have, especially to roast hot dogs on. Oh yeah, gotta roast some hot dogs. So let's go into the shed. I gotta grab some shovels and some spray paint to mark out the area, and we'll get going. Okay, with that going, and fun fact, this is the spray paint that I used on the McLean Edger series that I've never finished. And for your reference, it is Gloss Tuscan Sun. So that's the color I used on the frame. Oh look, I got my helper here. He's gonna dig for me.
I was about to say that, Dad.
Yeah, I know, you're gonna do it too.
I know.
I'm getting old. Okay, with that marked around here, we're gonna move this guy out of the way. And then let's mark, hey Connor, can you grab me the spray paint? There we go.
Won't we need a gas mask or something to spray paint doesn't get in our face?
No, we're cool. Okay, so what we have, and there we go. I did an inner circle, or an inner square, yeah. Good job, bud. Did inner square there, that's where the ring is gonna sit down into, so we can only concentrate on excavating in that area. So kind of similar to like excavating a footer for a house, but we're doing it for a fire pit. My high points are this corner here, and then that corner there. Everything slopes this way down towards the drain. So we're gonna start in this area, and then we're gonna also pull up the weed fabric, because that's just plastic, and that'd probably burn and catch everything on fire, because there's a good bit of weed berry that's obviously not working very well. So let's get to digging. So a problem I have right now is the front's level, but it's still sloping way down. So I have two options. I can go deeper into the front to bring it down, to not go any deeper back here, or not have to build up as much back here. And I think that's the route I'm gonna go with.
Sprinkle sander on. I'm just so nervous.
Oh, don't be nervous. No, so what we're doing is we're going to be, that's all the sand I have. I have like a little bit of pool filter sand, and then like a bag and a quarter of actual paver base. It's just a fire pit. It doesn't freaking matter. It's not a retaining wall, but This will just help smooth out inconsistencies with the crap chunky clay backfill that they used to make my yard. Holy cow, that was a ton of work. Wow, sweating. Use the hand tamper again, that thing sucks. Actually had plenty of the paver-based material. Got a nice smooth, it's close enough to level all the way around, so the next part should go really quick of just stacking the blocks. Super easy. Or this is actually going a lot faster than I thought it would. Who would have thought? So, I think I need to take some of this inside out, even though I marked the inner bit. I should have took out more. Well, there goes things going fast. There we go. Not bad. I ran into one little problem though. Oops. When I made the garden steps earlier this spring, I did not anticipate actually having a fire pit again. There was going to be a playhouse area thing over here, but the wife and I decided we're not going to do that because it's a cost investment we don't want to make right now because we don't know how long we're going to be here. So I decided, hey, let's bring the fire pit back because, hey, that adds some outdoor ambience and yeah, maybe a selling feature. But because I moved it from the steps, I'm short 8 blocks. Oops, not a big deal. I can just go get some more, slide them in, and be done with that. But we have the fire pit again, and it'll get some use this year, hopefully. I hope so. I need to start rounding up some firewood, maybe soon. Who knows? But there we go. That's it. I have a fire pit again, sort of. So, hope you all enjoyed this one. Thanks again for watching. It's Mike. Real Low Dad. It's hot outside. Even though it's not that hot, but it's humid. Oh, I'm exhausted, but there's still more to be done. We'll see you next time.